Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel, Yabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. You know what I say? Sometime when you send a girl pitney go to school to learn, to get a education and to better themselves. Sometimes you have to question when them leave your house and say them gone to school, say them are going to learn. Mm? And it actually heartbreaking for know say more enough of them girl child find themselves or they find themselves at some man yard or friend and company same way. You realize that they not go to school and a bag of things. Anyway, guys, actually come across one video and I decided to make and share with you still. Yeah, man. Wherein this man actually expose this schoolgirl, you know, on the beach side with a young man. Go do them thing. Yeah, man. Me say that, man. Do them thing. So obviously to me, they go play the clip still. Yeah, man. But obviously still to me is like a long time ago on. And him decide so well, yeah, wanna get catch. Yeah, man. Me go expose Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, I just can just play the clip and make on hear how this thing actually really play out, cause it really sad for know say it hard because and everybody can find lunch money and all of these things. You send a picnic at school. And when you find out say your girl picnic I do them thing, boy, it really sad. Yeah, man, but yes, brother, picnic have a man of them one still, but forgot some man. Yeah, man, so here we are going on now, guys.
See there? See her school uniform there in her bag. I'm going to show you a video when she come around. See there? See there? The Queen's eye. Lock it back. Queen's eye. She go. See her school shows that me a video and show you the boy when he come around. Yeah, man.
No. The next part of the video, people, with the young girl and the boy were come over.
From Queen's school. This is a little girl for the uniform. This Grace in my friend River. With this little underage girl. See her there? This Grace in my friend River. You'll never come back here. You that little boy. No, but you're disgracing the little girl career. You're disgracing Queen's eye. You little boy. Me want the media to see them.
So, guys, as you actually hear for yourself, so it look like a long time this thing are going. Mm-hmm. It look like a long time this thing are going and the man finally decides so well him a go take action. Which me not go wrong him when do still. Because at the end of the day, sometimes you need proof to show say, well, yeah, this thing really go on. So you never do a wrong thing, right? So it go for sure you say sometimes parents, it is good to find out if your daughter or even your son too, because sometimes the son will go to school and go games home and all them. I say, now we also go games home to one thing when we were young still, but not for school, you know? Yeah, man. But it is good to check on a girl pitney based on the attendance. Because as actually seen in the video, clothes take off and everything are in a bag. Mm-hmm. Shoes come off her foot and put on one side. It don't look good. It does not look good. And I just hope that, you know, that video actually serve as a awareness, you know, where school children is concerned, especially for girl children, you know. Yeah, man. Now for make sure say when the daughter go to school. But how to tell to cause sometimes the home is broken to him. I can talk about that a little bit. Sometimes the home is broken. Sometimes, you know, they don't have proper parenting, so it's like, yeah, the picnic come the same. Yeah, man. So several things can actually cause all of this. Which picnic are naturally bad still, because you can even have your good child where you grew up, you know, in a hand and all of these things, and sometimes friend and company. Yeah, man. Sometimes they follow friend and company and go mix up with these people. I just hope that, you know, them actually put a stop to it. Because, to be honest, what the man actually do, as in videoing it and all of these things, exposing what they act, it could actually prevent something from actually happen. Because who to tell, you know, one day they decide, say, well, let me go, you know, school and go do them thing and something bad go happen. So it was actually not a bad thing for actually expose the child going out of school, out of our uniform, our school uniform, which you actually see say the man take it out of our bag. Well, he actually call the school name and all of these things. Yeah, man. I want to see your situation, tell you honest truth. And sometimes these children, they not actually a think about pregnancy and all of them things. They only a think about the look of fun. A long time them thing you go and still do him. I may actually see a couple videos seeing where you have couple youth same way and couple girls same as that then go for them in our house. I know that actually Canada all over social media things anyway still. You know, where they go do them thing. So it's like them a try if there's nothing wrong with a part of human nature. But at the end of the day, it is too early for all of that. Yeah, man, it was too early for the experience. Because once you start to experience it, you actually open up yourself to adulthood. Adulthood. Yeah, man, adulthood. Yeah, man. So you actually start to become a man and a woman. You know, because that purpose of that of recreation. But I just that, you know, I just human nature see me, yeah. But anyway, guys, The point that I try actually make, you know, I will check on no pitney. Make sure so no pitney I got school. Yeah man. Make sure so no pitney I got school. But anyway guys, yeah man, you know, just to spread some awareness, you know, based on what really I go on still, you know. Yeah man. And it good for look and listen, because sometimes we see some things that we actually take it for granted. Yeah man. They're afraid to expose them, man. They're not afraid to talk and make them say, yeah, what, something wrong there, so I go on, you know. Because if we don't pay attention to our younger ones, where that is actually concerned, you know, things can happen wherein them find themselves in a pregnancy and, you know, I remember say you have disease and all that thing though. They're not aware of these things. They're not educated where these things are concerned. That's a thing about the fun. Yeah man. But anyway guys, yeah man. If you actually make it this far in the video, just yeah man, just do the right thing, you know? Yeah man, just give the video a likes. Yeah man, just comment based on, you know, what you think about the schoolgirl and the young man and the gentleman who actually make a video from it exposing the you know, the leaving of school. If you go enjoy themselves. Yeah man, because the parents and every parents have it like that neither too, you know. Me actually say that. Yeah man, so it's hard for know so well parents are sending a picnic at school, you know, to get a better life, education, and all them things are going. Yeah man. But anyway guys, yeah man, bless upon yourself, do the right thing. Yeah man, if you're new to the channel, just please go ahead, show some support, like, comment and share, you know, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah man, until the next video guys, yeah man, that is it, you know. Gabby Dan Family TV. Yeah man, bless